The world runs on energy, but at what cost? Fossil fuels power our lives, yet their hidden toll on the planet is massive. Let's dive into why this matters and what it means for our future. Welcome back to Objectified, where we unpack the stories behind the things shaping our world. Today, we're tackling fossil fuels, coal, oil, and natural gas. These energy giants have fueled progress for centuries, but their environmental impact is a growing concern. From climate change to polluted rivers, the consequences are real. In this video, we'll explore where fossil fuels came from, how they evolved, their cultural weight, surprising facts, and what's next for our planet. Stick around for a journey through the highs and lows of humanity's energy addiction. Fossil fuels began forming hundreds of millions of years ago. Dead plants and animals sank into the earth, buried under layers of sediment. Heat and pressure transformed them into coal, oil, and natural gas over eons. Early humans burned wood, but by the 13th century, coal was heating homes in places like England. Oil didn't take off until the 19th century, when drilling techniques unlocked vast reserves. These resources were game changers, powering everything from steam engines to modern cities. Yet, their origins tied directly to their impact, burning ancient carbon releases it back into the atmosphere, disrupting the planet's balance. The Industrial Revolution was fossil fuels' big break. Coal powered factories and trains, while oil later fueled cars and planes. Natural gas became a go-to for heating and electricity. Innovations like hydraulic fracking unlocked new reserves, keeping fossil fuels dominant. But here's the catch. Burning them releases carbon dioxide, methane, and other gases, driving climate change. Extraction methods also harm the environment. Fracking, for example, can contaminate groundwater. Oil spills devastate ecosystems. Think of the 2010 Deepwater Horizon disaster, which dumped millions of barrels into the Gulf of Mexico. Even coal mining scars landscapes, leaving behind toxic waste. Despite cleaner tech like carbon capture, fossil fuels remain a heavy burden on nature. Fossil fuels are woven into modern life. They power our homes, cars, and industries. Entire economies, like those of oil-rich nations, depend on them. They've shaped geopolitics, sparking conflicts and alliances over resources. Culturally, they symbolize progress, but also excess. Think of gas-guzzling cars in pop culture, or the black gold rush of oil booms. Yet, as climate awareness grows, fossil fuels are losing their shine. Movements for renewable energy reflect a shift in values, with younger generations pushing for sustainability. The tension between dependence and change defines their cultural role today. Did you know a single gallon of gasoline releases about 20 pounds of carbon dioxide when burned? That's heavier than the fuel itself. Or that coal plants are the largest source of mercury pollution, a toxin harming fish and humans. Here's another shocker. Methane, a potent greenhouse gas from natural gas leaks, traps 80 times more heat than carbon dioxide over 20 years. And get this, fossil fuel companies have known about climate risks since the 1970s, but often downplayed them. These facts reveal the scale of the challenge we face. Fossil fuels built the modern world, but their environmental cost is undeniable. From warming the planet to polluting air and water, their impact touches every corner of life. The good news: solutions exist. Renewable energy like solar and wind is booming. Electric vehicles are cutting oil demand. Policy changes and innovation are accelerating the shift. The question isn't just about fossil fuels. It's about what kind of future we want. Transitioning won't be easy, but it's a chance to rethink how we power our lives. If this video sparked your curiosity, hit that like button and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Subscribe to Objectified for more deep dives into the objects shaping our world. Drop a comment what's one step you're taking to reduce your environmental footprint. Thanks for watching Objectified. We'll be back with another story behind the stuff that defines our lives. Until then, keep questioning, keep learning, and see you in the next one.